Hey guys, this is Adam. I'm here with Melissa today. We're going to be starting a new series on unconventional ways to use products that you guys already have existing in your shop. So where are we starting with, Melissa?
Well, it's going to be a 4-part series, and today we're going to start with the original ceramic. So I'd like for you to kind of tell them a little bit about this product that everybody probably has sitting on their shelves.
Okay, so as you guys probably are aware, some of our coatings we put a topper coating on called Overcoat. Now, if you end up in a pinch, in a situation where for whatever reason you do not have that available to you, the original ceramic can be used as a fantastic topper product over the existing coating that you're putting it over. As you guys probably are already aware, it's got fantastic performance and it's just going to be a great solution in a pinch. It's not a recommended procedure, but it is great in a pinch for you guys if you're there in that situation.
Keep in mind, Overcoat V3 is always your #1 choice, but like Adam said, original ceramic, if you've got it on the shelf and you've got to use it, then it's there. It's going to do a great job for you, and use away.
Beautiful.